Hey, I wrote this song and I hope you like it. So here it goes. I'll admit it's hard to understand. It's difficult to analyze what's going on inside your head. But if time is what you want, then time is what I'll give you. I'll be here later on and I'll still find room to forgive you. But if it's more than just time and someone else is on your mind, don't keep me hanging on, you gotta let me know. 'Cause I'll be okay, it won't hurt long. I'm taken care of, I'll be fine on my own. Don't let the tears I shed keep you from following your heart. 'Cause I'd rather see you happy than inside falling apart. I'll tell you right now, it's killing me inside. But all I can do is hope that all you need is a little